Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on screen recording on Oppo phone device and how to use it. Friends, you want to on guys Oppo phone screen recording, so then how to on and use screen recording on Oppo phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. First of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Oppo phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your tool setting. Friends, you can use guys your navigation setting, gesture setting, button navigation. Friends, screenshot setting is here. You want guys your three finger touch and hold a screenshot guys. So you can take a screenshot with your three finger and touch and hold to take a screenshot. Friends, now you can see your screen recording setting. Friends, we will tap here. Friends, how to on screen recording friends, you can see this option, and guys I am going to tell you guys screen recording sound guys you want to on, you want to use, so you can on and you can use from here. Now guys we will on screen recording, and how to on friends, you can just swipe here right side friends, you can see screen recording setting guys, we will tap here. So you can see record system sound guys, you can record microphone sound, so you can record your microphone sound. Friends, now we will start screen recording. Friends, you can see this red button guys, you can start screen recording. After start friends, you can record on your phone video guys. Friends, suppose we are going to about guys screenshot setting, we will tap here, we will on screenshot, we will take a screenshot. And friends, you want to pause friends, you can see pause screen recording guys, you can pause here. And guys, you want to continue when you will go on display setting, and friends you are display setting here, high comfort. And guys, now you can again start, you can show, you can add this page. Again guys, I will pause. And guys, now we will on it. Friends, you can see wallpaper setting will add here, and we will tap here guys. And friends, red option, tap here, screen recording will save guys, tap here, tap to view. Friends, now you can check your phone screen recording on your Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to edit, you can edit, you want to delete, you can delete, you want to share, so when you can share, you want to add into favorite, you can add into favorite guys. As you can see, again start, you can show sound guys as I own. So guys, now we can use sound guys, now we will own it. As you can see wallpaper set. So like that guys, we can use guys screen recording setting on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.